Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are doing great. Another video on the topic of percentages. Okay, exercise 8A, question number 14. In this question, what you have to do, you have to solve a given problem and you have to find the value in terms of percentage. Let's read it out. There are 600 pages in a novel. Rui Fanj reads 150 pages of the novel on Friday and 40% of the remaining pages on Sunday. So it is basically a story of a novel, right? What basically a girl is doing. A girl that is named Rui Fanj. She is reading a novel one by one. The novel has 600 pages in total. And if I talk about the pattern of her reading, then it is she has read 150 pages out of 600 pages on Friday, right? And then the remaining pages, out of the remaining pages, 40% pages were being read by Rui Finch on Sunday. So this is the story and what you have to calculate. Express the number of pages that remains to be read as the percentage of the total number of pages in the novel. What you need to do, you have to find out how many pages are still left for reading as a percentage of total pages, right? You have to express the remaining pages in terms of percentage of the total pages. So let's start this question. First of all, let's do it step by step. Solution. Okay, let's suppose I am having a novel. This is my novel and let's have some of the pages in the novel. Okay, so at the very first, total pages that are present in the novel were 600. Now, on Friday, let's suppose on Friday what she did, she has read 150 pages. Okay, if she read 150 pages on Friday, then the remaining pages on Friday are pages for reading. After Friday, remaining pages for reading after Friday. We will say that it can be 600 minus 150. Rui has read 150 pages on Friday. So what you have to do, since these pages are already read, you have to subtract these number of pages from 600. So you will get remaining pages for reading, not for remaining, for reading. How many pages are left for reading after Friday? So it is 450. These pages are left for reading after Friday. Then the Sunday comes. So on Sunday, she read 40% of the remaining novel. Yani, oh, sorry for being speaking in Urdu. On Sunday, what is done? She read 40% of the remaining pages. So 40% of 460 pages has been read on Sunday. Okay, so why 40% of 460 pages? Why? Because on Sunday only 460 pages were left. The remaining pages were for 460, and out of 460 she read 40% pages. On Sunday she read 40% of 460 pages. So let's talk about if let me calculate the total number of pages that were read on Sunday. Let's convert it into amount. So it will be 40 divided by 100. Percentage sign will be removed and divided by 100. Then off will be replaced by a multiplication sign, and this is 450. So I am writing 1 in the denominator. It is 4 and 10. So 4 upon 10. I have divided 40 and 100 by the table of 10. Multiply by 450 upon 1. Then 10 ones are 10 and 10 45s are 450. So it will be 4 multiplied by 45. 1 ones are 1. So I'm not going to multiply the denominators. Just multiply the numerators. 4 multiplied by 45. Let me calculate it. 4 fives are 20. 4 fours are 8, 9, 10. These are going to be, no, these are not going to be 100 pages. Let me calculate like this, 45, 16, 17, 18. These are going to be 180 pages, right? So 180 pages were read. She read on Sunday. On Sunday, she read 180 pages, whereas 4 out of 450 pages. Okay, there were 450 pages in total, and she read 150 pages out of it, out of the remaining pages. So if I calculate the pages that are remaining on Sunday, remaining pages on Sunday, I can just subtract 180 from 450. Why? Because on Sunday she had 450 pages, and if I subtract the read pages that were 180, I will get those pages that were not read. So it is going to be 0, 0, 0, 15 minus 8 is 7, and then 3 minus 1 is 2. 270 pages were still unread. These are the remaining pages, 270 pages. But since it is in terms of amount, what you have to do, you have to convert it. Sorry for this walking. We have to convert it in terms of percentage. Percentage of remaining pages. You can do it like this. The remaining pages can be written in the numerator. Total pages will be written in the denominator, and then multiply it with 100. This is the final formula to calculate the percentage of remaining pages. 270 divided by 600 multiply by 100. Just write 1 in the denominator, calculate the two rational numbers. 100 ones are 100, 100 6 are 600. It is 270 divided by 6 multiply by 1. Now 270 divided by 6, we can say that it will be let me just divide it. 270, this is 6. In the table of 6, 6 4s are 24, then you are going to have 30, then 6 5s are 30. So the answer is going to be 45 pages, right? So these are, or no, not 45 pages, you are calculating the percentage. So it will be 45% of total pages of 600 pages, right? Or you can just write 45%. So this 45% is what? This is the percentage of remaining pages of the novel. Okay, percentage of remaining pages. This is 45%. So let's have a quick summary of the question. Let me tell you all the steps that we have done in quickly as a summary. So the question was that in a novel you have 600 pages. There were 2 days, Friday and Sunday, in which Rui Finch read the novel. So on Friday she read 150 pages out of 600. The remaining pages left on Friday were 600 minus 150, that is 450 pages. Then on Sunday what she did, she read 40% of the remaining pages. So we know that remaining pages were 450 pages. So out of 450 pages, she read 40% of the pages. So we converted this particular percentage into quantity. So 40% of 450 pages are 40 upon 100 multiplied by 450. Just calculate its value. You will get 180 pages out of 450 pages were read on Sunday. So she reads 150 pages on Friday and 180 pages on Sunday. Now let's calculate the remaining pages. The remaining pages on Sunday were 450. When she read 180 pages, I have to subtract 180 from 450 in order to get the remaining pages that she didn't read. So that are 270 pages. 450 minus 180, that is 270 pages. Now at the end you have to convert this remaining pages 270 in terms of percentage of the total number of pages in the novel. So you have the formula for it: remaining pages divided by total pages multiply by 100. Remaining pages were 270, total pages were 600, multiply the value with 100 and then solve it out, get the answer. Remaining pages of overall novel that needs to be read are 45%. So it means 45% of the novel is still unread. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this question is understandable to you. If there is any difficulty, just comment below. I'm going to give you the answer for that. Thank you so much for watching it. Take care. Allah Hafiz.